Hello friends, welcome to my Odyssey. I am preparing a series about Buddhism for you. There are many key ideas and concepts. Here are some of the main ones. The saying, put salt in this holy corner of your house and see what happens next. Buddhist teachings answer. In Buddhist teachings and various spiritual practices, placing salt in a specific corner of your home is thought to bring positive effects. Here's what you might expect when you do this exercise. Spiritual cleansing. Salt is considered a purifying agent in many traditions. By placing salt in a sacred corner of your home, you can symbolically cleanse the space of negative energies or influences. Protection against negative energies. The salt is considered a barrier against harmful energies or spirits, thus creating a protective shield around the household, attracting positive energies. It is also believed that salt helps attract positive energies and blessings into the home, fostering a more harmonious and prosperous environment, improving well-being. Regular use of salt in this way is supposed to improve general well-being and health, reflecting a faith-based belief in the spiritual benefits of salt. Would you like me to expand on one of these ideas or another topic in Buddhism? And meanwhile, and most importantly, share your experiences and give me a like and share and subscribe to our Odyssey so and help you prepare experiences for a world trip. Thank you. I appreciate you.